Open up the back, you can.
Yeah, I'm just checking it all out. Oh, nice. Wow. Sundown NSV4s?
Yes, 15s. I got Sundown SD.
You can't get it, don't worry about it, man.
There you go.
Oh, wow, okay.
Get a better idea of the amps.
There you go. Nice. Is that one or two of them?
Two of them.
Oh, wow.
I grabbed some marine vinyl from Home Depot.
There you go.
Some spacers and built that whole thing up.
That works. Okay. I like that. Where's is your port on? Oh, there it is.
And I got a battery on the other side.
This is pretty cool, dude. I appreciate you showing me everything. Nice. Is this 45?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, 45 amp hour.
45 amp hour.
Perfect battery for this system. Nice.
I only have a 220 amp alternator on this, so it'll fit.
Can I see it? Is it sure? Is it showable?
It's just a regular finger.
If it, just check it out. Why not? For the video. All right, so it's down there.
Yeah.
You got the big green on too.
Except for the
starter. All right, yeah, man, I'd like to hear it. Looks good, dude. Thank you for showing me.
Okay.
And you have a side seat you can also seat?
Just the back seat.
That's pretty cool.
I had to take out the seat and a half for this guy.
That's still pretty cool though. At least you got a back seat, dude. I like that.
The time I was diving, so I had to be able to take on two passengers.
Really?
Now, I'd just rather take both.
Okay. Yeah. Awesome. And what was your name?
Michael.
Michael. Okay. Did you build the box?
No, that one I let somebody who knew what they were doing take care of.
Okay.
Everything else is me. The wiring, I helped put the alternator in, radio, speakers, amps, all that.
All right.
All right.
Awesome.
I had a good one going this morning.
You ready?
Halsey, yes. Here we go.
Making doors jiggle and girls giggle. It's DJ Rusty Balls.
Found you when your heart was broke. I felt you up until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you in the fall. I was broke. filled you up until it overflowed. It's so hard to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I can't.
Feeling so high, but too far away to hold.
Really? Okay.
I think these are supposed to be rated to 2,500 or 3,000. They never can decide.
They don't? No, yeah. Okay. Awesome. Well, I appreciate it. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Right.
It's honestly, the only reason I'm even wearing it is because it's the only free t-shirt they gave that was white.
There you go. Hey,
I've done Down for Sound. I've been through all of them.
Really?
It's
Okay.
the only one that gave me a white shirt.
There you go.
I don't want
Yeah.
to wear black out here.
All right.
So that's probably a good idea for them. Start giving out white shirts as an option.
That's right. And it's cooler. All right. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.